Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your AliExpress account permanently. Stick around till the end to follow all the steps and ensure your account is completely removed. So let's dive in. First, you can open an app on your device or you can go to aliexpress.com. Once logged in, click on your account icon in the top right corner and then select settings from the drop down menu. In the settings page, under personal information, delete account option, click on it and you will be taken to a privacy page. Here, read through the information carefully. After reading the information, click on Delete My Account. AliExpress will send a 6-digit verification code to the email address. So, open your email inbox, then copy that code and paste it over here to verify. Now, to finalize the process, click on Delete Account at the bottom right corner. And if you change your mind, you can click on Don't Delete to cancel the deletion request. Once deletion is confirmed, you will be redirected to home page and your AliExpress account will be successfully deleted. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.